amazing, beautiful trout. Look at that mouth. Hundreds of casts, guys. Hundreds and hundreds of casts. And this calls it for a limit. We're definitely letting them all go. Beautiful trout on a jerk bait. So it's been a grind, guys. Very nice. Okay, welcome back, guys. We're here at the SeaWorld Park. What you got there, bro? He's working with a mirror lure. Golden mirror lure, so it represents like a golden spoon. We got the jerk bait. We got kind of overcast conditions, as you guys can see down there. It's cloudy, pretty windy, south wind. We're gonna hit this side down here to see if we can cast with the wind. Try to see if there's any trout over here, guys. Gonna grind it out with some artificials, and yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we hook up. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, keep us in luck. Hopefully we hook up, guys. And yeah, check this out. This is how it's looking today. Not too packed. Yeah, guys. Let's see if we hook up. Which one? The white one? No, the one that hits like rips on the head. Which one? Oh, the Columbia one. Well, ladies and gents, as you guys can see, we're back here. We got tropical storm winds, right, T-Bone? Yep. Coming straight out of the south. Just two more anglers out here. Plus us. We're gonna see if we hook up, guys. We gotta cast really hard against this wind. We got the DC chips on there, so that should help against the wind, boys. Ladies and gents, just stay tuned. Hopefully we'll hook up. Oh my God. She hit it right on the edge. Oh, it's a good one. That's a solid keeper right there, Tane. Look at that, bro. Boat up. She hit it right on the edge. Boys, we got our first trout. Dylan, they're out there, boys. You got one too? Everybody's hooking up, boys, left and right. After 1,000 casts, we got one, boys. They're moving in for sure. Look at that. Let's get that fish grip. Easy, girl. Easy, 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 easy. Yeah, check her out, boys. Check her out, guys. Beautiful trout. Nice keeper, for sure is a keeper. We're not keeping her though. We're gonna throw her back. Solid, healthy trout. So let's throw her back, guys, and see if we catch another one. Here she goes, boys. Back into the water she goes to live another day. Go otra way. Oh my God, that's a beacon, dude. That's a beacon right there. She's barely hooked. Oh no. Get in there. We got her, boys. Secure the bait. Oh, she came off right on the net, dude. That's a good one too. Woo. She's a solid one, boys. Feels good, guys, when you cast and cast and cast and cast, and then you finally succeed. That's one of the best feelings, guys. It's not always that easy, I'll tell you that. Let's try to get this unhooked. Solid speckled trout. Solid one. Check her out, boys. Beautiful trout. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. After hundreds of casts, we're getting her. Finally, this is our second one. We're gonna cast, keep casting. We're gonna throw this one back, guys. Healthy trout, probably 17, 18 inches. Check that big yellow mouth. She's a big one. She's solid, guys. Like, regulations have changed, you know. You can only keep them if they're between 15 and 17 inches. So let's just go throw this one back. I'm gonna put her in here. Look at all that slime. Once again, we're not keeping fish, so we're gonna throw her back. Back she goes to live another day. That's 2. The limit will be 3, so if we catch one more, that will be our limit right there. So once again, getting it done with these high winds on the jerk bait. It's been kind of hard, guys. The wind died down just a bit, but they are blowing pretty strong, boys. See if we catch another one. Huh? What is that? Oh, the jerk bait? Oh, cámotelin. It's a pinky. Manete hotelin. So there are speckled trout. That's a big ass sand trout. Oh no, it is a speck. There it goes. Oh, easy, easy. Check that out, boys. Not quite. It looks like a 14-incher, but she gets to live another day. Timo, gotta be you. Finally, you hooked up. Just careful. What is it? Oh, it's a trout. It's a trout, bro. Go take it that way. There it is. It's not that big. You want to? I can put it on the net. Oh, yeah, I'm good. Spit the hook out. Yeah, guys, we gotta be careful with triple hooks like that. Could have been a quick trip. What do you got to say, bro? That was your first one. It felt good?
Yeah, at least the hook felt good.
Yeah, quick release, huh?
Yeah.
It was probably hooked on the side too. It felt heavy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's annoying to be getting freaking burst nets all the time, dude.
Tighten up the knob a little bit more.
Yeah.
Let's get back out there, boys. There goes. T-Bone got one. Bow flip. Bow flipper, bro. Bow flip. Blow flip. Not this way, the other way. Oh, let's go. Let's go, boys. Finally. First one of the night, boys. T-Bone's caught one. I caught so far 2 and a little one. You want a picture, bro? Okay, T-Bone's gonna safely release trout.
Can I throw your fish group in there?
That's $15 fish script, then. Let's get Geronimo. Alright, bro. Nice one. Let's get back out there, boys and girls. See if we catch another one. There we go, boys. That's a trout right there. That's a good one right there. She's staying put. Look at that. She's taking me for a ride, boys. She swiped it good. She definitely swiped it good. Let's get the net. Let's go. We got her, boys. Secure the bag. That's a solid trout right there, boys. Solid. Oh my gosh, she's fat. She is thick, boys. You gotta be careful with those trebles. She's a solid one. And I think here she's gonna come right out. She already got unhooked. Oh my god, look at that beautiful trout. Oh, yeah. amazing, beautiful trout. Look at that mouth. Hundreds of casts, guys. Hundreds and hundreds of casts. And this calls it for a limit. We're definitely letting them all go. Beautiful trout on a jerk bait. So it's been a grind, guys. Here, let's put it back. Well, guys, we're gonna release this beautiful trout back into the water. She goes. Look at that. She gets to live another day. See if we catch another one. We're gonna be here only for a little bit longer, and then that's gonna be it, guys. I'm gonna call it a night. The winds died down like if they were to just flip the switch. Literally 0 mile per hour wind now. It's been so far good, guys. See if we catch another one. Came out, got it done. Luckily, hold the net. Have the net link down below if you guys like a small net like this. There'll be some stuff linked down below so you guys can check them out. We're gonna wrap it up, guys. See you on the outro. Well, ladies and gents, thank you so much for sticking along to the end of the video. The winds, literally somebody flipped the switch and killed the winds, guys. So caught some speckled trout after cast after cast after cast. T-bone. The boy give out already, so we're gonna go ahead on that. Hit the subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.